Hello and welcome back everyone. In this lecture I just wanted to make sure that you guys know how to use IDLE and this command type version of Python also. So just write a simple printing statement, anything you can want to write. Let's write print uh, hi guys, hi guys, how are you all? Now let's run it. Yeah, you can see it's printed the exact same statement. Hi guys, how are you all? Now in this ideally we shall use the same thing. Let's print hi guys, how are you all? Now let's run this. You can see it works fine. So I generally prefer to use this ideally than this command prompt. So it's your wish what you guys want to do. So let's move on to the next lecture.